You may have noticed prices increasing as you look for new clothes and shoes. You're probably noticing back orders when shopping online, and your favorite retail shelves may be sparse. Why? What's going on here? Workers and consumers are normally linked through an efficient global logistics network made up of factories, freight lines, ports, warehouses, and retailers. But COVID-19 outbreaks, labor shortages, price gouging, excessive fees, and antiquated infrastructure led to a network clogged with delays, high costs, and massive disruption, all while Americans pay absurdly high tariffs, aka taxes. That's why AAFA is asking the Biden administration to remove tariffs for immediate relief and urging more oversight of the maritime industry to help now and avert the next shipping crisis. These efforts will protect the invaluable employees across the fashion industry, allow fair pricing for you and your neighbors, and maintain variety of product on shelves. Learn more at aafaglobal.org/news and follow along on social.